YouTube, welcome back. So today we're going to change out this air gap. As you can see, it is torn or broken, even on the back as well. So with this one, you just need to twist counterclockwise to unlock it while you have somebody holding on the bottom. Let me show you the bottom. And this one, the new one, is a little bit different. On this one, you have two screws, one on the bottom and one on the top right there. Okay. So this one goes to the garbage disposal here, and we need to hold this in place. Well, anyway, that one's broken anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Well, as long as we don't twist the water line or anything like that. I'm going to loosen those nut right there, or the screw, so I can take it out. And that's it, you can push down. See, you got to put this down. Put it down. There you go. I'm gonna unscrew this one and that one. Oh. Take this out first. Oh. Pakai saya bakal this one. It's kind of hard to take it out, so I'm going to take the whole hose out. What's going on? Oh. Okay, got it. Oh, gosh. And then this is thread, so it's hard to take it out. There you go. Put this one back. Okay. Now I'm going to open this mirror. Okay, brand new one. Loosen this up, take out the nut. I'm going to do some test fit. This one's going to be on the top. Got I put in first. I'm gonna push from the bottom up. Jeff, 點講緊跨戶 Okay.
There he is. Control like something techno trolls, right? That's right. Who's that? Queen Mark of the Hard Rock. And there's your skin, bro. No way.
The hose right here is too short. I need to pull out more because the top is not going straight. Well, then loosen this hose and pull out a little bit more because this hose was too short. Everything looks good now. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments down below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.